Hello everyone, my name is Sheetal Patil, teacher from Fortune High School. Welcome to the video on birds. Children, which bird is this? It is peacock. 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 Peacock has long and colorful wings. Peacock look lovely when it dances in the rain. Peacock is our national bird. Which bird is this? This is swan. Swan are very beautiful and smart birds. S-W-A-N. Swan. They can fly very fast. Which bird is this? This is duck. Ducks are also called aquatic birds. D-U-C-K. Duck. They live on both fresh or salt water. Now, which bird is this? This is eagle. Eagles are large and powerful birds. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. They eat mice, frogs, squirrels, and fish. Which bird is this? It is woodpecker. Woodpeckers have a long beak which they use to make hole in the trees to make their nest. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker. They feed on seeds, berries, fruits, nuts, and bugs. Now, which bird is this? Owl. Owls mostly sleep in the day and are active at night. O-W-L. Owl. They have flat face and big eyes. They can see at night. Now, which bird is this? This is parrot. It has strong curved beak and is a very intelligent bird. Parrot loves to eat chilies. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. These are pigeons. Pigeons are human-friendly birds. They feed on seeds, fruits, and plants. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Which bird is this, children? This is hen. Hens lay eggs. They are domesticated birds. They feed on seeds. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. Now we will revise the birds. Peacock, swan, duck, woodpecker, eagle, owl, parrot, hen. Thank you.